Hello YouTube! We're here sa kahabaan ng C5 northbound. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Punta tayong Antipolo. May kwento lang ako. So last Friday, so galing din akong Makati, papunta rin akong Antipolo. So habang nasa Marcos Highway ako, napansin ko biglang nag-solid light yung service maintenance light or PMS indicator light. Yun yung porting wrench na ilaw dito sa dashboard ng Vespa GTS. So sa umpisa, taranta mode ako. Akala ko kasi may problem yung motor. Pero bigla akong na-realize, iba ang ilaw ng check engine light. Porting engine yon. This one, porting wrench. So PMS indicator light yon, or service maintenance indicator light yon. Ang ibig sabihin lang noon, it's time to bring the Vespa unit sa service center for preventive maintenance service. Kung matatandaan nyo, few weeks ago, I brought this unit to Vespa Scout Borromeo para sa first PMS niya. During that time, that was February 3, naka 800 plus kilometers pa lang ang Vespa. Pero dinala ko na yung unit for PMS kasi may vouchers kasi siya eh. Ano ay nang ibig sabihin ng solid light ng service maintenance indicator? Ganito pala yon. So since naka-schedule tong unit sa first 1,000 kilometers for PMS, ang nangyayari pala, pag na-reach na niya yung 700 or kapag 300 kilometers na lang before the scheduled kilometer PMS, like ito nga, 1,000 kilometers, ang nangyayari, nagbi-blink lang muna yung PMS light or service maintenance light. Nagbi-blink. Napansin ko yun eh. Kaya pag ino-on ko yung motor, naka-on din yung indicator light na yon, PMS light. Tapos pag tinakbo ko na, mawawala din yon. So nagbi-blink lang siya. Ngayon, last Friday, na-reach ko na pala yung 1,000 kilometers. Kaya nag-solid light siya. So yun ang ibig sabihin nun. So siguro, nung dinala ko siya sa Vespa Scout Borromeo, nakakaligtaan lang i-reset ng mechanic yung service maintenance schedule, or nire-reset kasi yun eh para sa next PMS schedule niya. Nung nakuha ko naman to last time from the service center, akala ko naman normal lang yun na nagbi-blink pa rin yung iPhone na yun. Kasi yun nga, last Friday, nagulat na lang ako, biglang nag-solid light. Ang question ko ngayon, paano ngayon mag-reset ng PMS indicator light? I tried to read the manual, hindi ko makita dun yung sagot. So instead, I searched online sa YouTube, and may mga napanood tayong videos doon on how to reset the service maintenance light. Actually, yung napanood kong video is for the Vespa GTV. Pero I'm thinking, same system lang naman ng Vespa yan eh. Baka mag-work pa rin sa maski anong model ng Vespa. So, you need to follow certain steps on how to reset the service maintenance indicator light. So first step, of course, turn on your Vespa unit. You don't have to turn on the motor. Turn on mo lang siya para mag-on yung system. Second step is, dun sa screen, using your toggle switch, ilagay mo siya sa voltmeter indicator. In one of the videos na nabasa ko, hindi daw mag-work yung procedure for resetting the PMS light if hindi nakalagay sa voltmeter icon yung screen mo. Now follows the third step. You need to press the toggle switch 3 times. And yung timing ng bawat press, different. So 3 press with 3 different timing. Like for the first press, should be half second only. Then release the button. Followed by the second press, which is 1 to 2 seconds or 1 to 2 counts. Then release the button. Followed by a third press, yun naman 10 or 10 to 15 seconds or 10 to 15 counts. Then upon releasing the button, mapapansin na mawawala na yung PMS indicator light. Ibig sabihin, na-reset na siya. So ginawa ko kaagad yon, yung procedure na yon. Unfortunately, sa sobrang ka-excitan ko, hindi ko siya na-video. Pero it worked. Actually, initially, so ginawa ko, turned on the unit. I placed, nilaro ko yung toggle switch. Nilabas ko yung voltmeter icon sa dashboard or sa screen. And nag-press ako. First press, half second. Second press, 1 to 2 seconds. So that's 1, 2. Then release. Then yung third press ko, I counted lang 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nung una, hindi nag-work. So, pag ganon, baka kasi yung count mo ng 10 masyado mabilis. Just make sure na you're counting 10 seconds or pwede mo naman siyang i-extend beyond 10. So, count ka ng hanggang 11 or 12. Basta, ang range mo is 10 to 15. So, what I did, so, based din sa instruction, pag hindi siya nag-work, you turn off the unit, turn it on again, then yun ulit, you look for the voltmeter icons sa dashboard mo. Then, you do the 3 press on the toggle switch button. So, first press is half second. Followed by a second press, 2 seconds, 1, 2. Now for the third press, instead of counting 10, I counted 11 to 12. Then released the button. Then true enough, nawala na yung PMS icon light. So na-reset na siya. So that's how you reset your PMS or service maintenance indicator light. So, yun ang aking short kwento. So, this is my video. Thank you for watching.